Hello viewers, today we are going to be refurbishing a Uniden EXA6950, and these are very good telephones. They don't have a whole lot of features, and there's no screen or anything like that, but if you just wanted a simple telephone that was reliable and performed well, this was a good choice. And this one looks to be in pretty good condition. There's just some dust here and there on the buttons and on the back, where you typically find it in this hook thing there for the wall mount. So we'll get that all cleaned up, and the base is kind of dusty as well, but it should clean up fairly easily. So let's get started with the handset. Jeez, that was ridiculous. That was really holding on. You can see it actually started to deteriorate the plastic there. Huh. That was strange. But this opened up now. Remove the charging contacts. Now this one appears to have a screw up there at the top. Now I'll pull out the receiver capsule. And the antenna is in quite good condition. That's always nice. This is fine, we'll leave that alone for now. And the buttons, which actually are not all that dirty, I think it's just mostly dust that's on here. So, I will go clean this up, and then we'll be back on the video. Okay, I just cleaned the base. It's kind of scratched up there, and the screen is quite marked up, but it's clean. Handset's still drying. I didn't actually open that up, I just cleaned the surfaces because that seemed to be good enough. Didn't need the soap, it wasn't too bad. Two things I want to clean while waiting for the handsets to dry. We're going to do the charge contacts, because they didn't seem to be working too well. And of course we'll clean the button board as well. Now, albeit these are not high quality gold contacts. They are quite large, and so the design, at least, is very good. And it's pretty rare I come across a set of these where they don't work. So very well made button boards. I'll clean these contacts off, and then we'll clean the ones on the base as well. These don't appear to be too dirty, but the ones in the base are visibly dirty, so that's probably the source of the problem here. Okay, that should take care of that. I will go see if the handset is dry. The handset is dry, and here's how it looks. Jeez. It came out pretty good. Buttons are clean. There's a little more wear on this than I thought, up here at the top where it meets the cradle. But other than that, it looks pretty good. Put this back in place, and we can begin reassembly. This is quite a lengthy antenna in here, at least compared to some of the other ones I've worked on. That's not quite down all the way. There it is. Okay, now I do want to test this before I put it all the way back together, because that was, for some reason, quite difficult to open up before. Okay, that seems good. Okay. Some water drops on there. We'll clean that off afterwards. Let's get the phone line connected. We'll make one final test call. It's not quite warm enough here. What is going on with that? We also want to check out the charging here. So it seems like it's working pretty reliably. I'd say that's making a good connection. Okay, that's checking out. So now we'll make a test call here.
Good afternoon. Snap, click, deposit checks without closing that dating app.
Okay, that sounds like it's working. Now we'll call the test phone. Testing. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Okay. That appears to be working. Thank you for watching. Comment, subscribe, and out.